morning, everyone. Welcome to my AI Tools channel. I'm Lottie Ann Silvis, and in this video, I just want to share with you this is another channel that I have created to help people that do stuff online, especially if you are just like me. I love to write ebooks and I want things to be simple and at ease. And I also have wonderful marketing tools that I can share with all of you. Now, if you're new online, and you happen to see me, I'm glad that you're here because you're going to learn a lot of things from me. And what has become so popular now is the AI technology that's out there. And I'm introducing you to those tools. I actually use some of these tools in this channel, and I will be uploading more demonstrations on how to create your whatever project that you're working on. It's either something to do with creating ebooks, maybe making presentations, maybe you want a software that can create um, ebooks for you. I actually do have an app that will do animation for you. It'll animate your ebook covers, which is something that you can't even you can't find it out there, but it is very attractive to your audience. And I actually have a video um, in my video section area. It's called eCoverly, so you can check that out. um, I share with you multiple tools through this platform called Empowerly 2.0. It is Scribble upgraded to the AI technology, which is now called Empowerly 2.0. Now, if you want to purchase that right now and you want to have multiple tools, and every month the CEO Adil is going to introduce a new tool each month. So this is a multiple platform, but you have to join a membership if you want to save lots of money and have discounts. You don't want to pay any more monthly fees everywhere. I mean, you can purchase software like Canva. You can purchase um, other platforms like Designer. These platforms, they charge monthly, and if you want to avoid the extra cost and then go into another site you have to pay monthly, it can actually get kind of expensive, and you want to avoid it at all costs. So with Empowerly, there's 3 membership. You can come in as a pioneer or mogul, or the top is unlimited use of every tool, every fresh tool every month. That's called Tycoon. And right now it is $97 a month, which outbeats all the other marketing tools that you pay monthly. So you want to avoid that because it can get very, very expensive. So I'm trying to share with you that you can save money. You don't have to go to different types of platforms because this one is all in one, and you just pay that one-time fee every month, which is very, very, very attractive to a lot of people because they want to save money. They don't want spend thousands of dollars. Like me, I pay for ScreenPal. ScreenPal is like $34 a year, $36 a year. But if you upgrade, they do have upgrades and different prices. Whereas one day I know that Empowerly is going to have some type of uh, a screen app that we can use. And if the I know that in the future they're going to add one, so that way you don't have to spend any more money. There's a lot of other screen recorders out there. uh, there's free ones, there's those that they charge if you upgrade. So you don't want that, you want to avoid that. They have Designer out there. Designer is a little bit more complex than Scribble because Scribble is so easy friendly for beginners to use, but Designer is more advanced features are there. They give a lifetime opportunity that you can use their software, but then you have to upgrade if you want to have more other features added to what you want to create. And so I think you have to pay monthly for that. Partly 2.0, upgraded from Scribble 1.0, is AI technology. So you can tell the AI, the robot, whatever you want to create, and it will create the whole entire ebook for you. It can create the e-covers for you too as well, and it's easy made, easy done. And you can go into the software and you can edit whatever changes you want to make, or you can add content along, or whatever your niche is. You are the ones that's creating. What I love about the ebooks and Scribble, you can make flip books, uh, and the flip books and the templates in Parley, all together with Scribble in there, is so uh, awesome. The designers that created Scribble have already put and instilled all the templates that you need for any niche that you want to cover. So this, everyone, I'm Lottie Ann Silvas. I do run other uh, channels too as well, and all my channels are monetized. And I watch very carefully. If you wanting to start a YouTube channel, you want to learn more about how to start a YouTube channel, you can go into my main YouTube channel. It is Lottie Ann Silvas. It's on at Coach Lottie Ann. That's the YouTube channel. Or you can go underneath this, under this channel. I'm going to add my other channels so that way you guys can find me easy. All right. So welcome to my AI tools. I'm going to introduce to all of you more tools, and I'm going to share with what's inside Empowerly, which I've already did. I'm giving you the website right now if you want to join. Take a look at it, because this is a very, very up opportunity for you to have all access, all tools, marketing tools, all in one platform. And I suggest you to upgrade to Tycoon. And I am a Tycoon member. I'm very active in my group, and you will get to know who I am. Everybody knows me there, and you will find out that I do a lot of things. And I hope that you can join us in this group. And I hope that all of you will share and be creative, and share your lifestyle too. I do that a lot. Whatever I'm encountering in my life, I share that with everyone. This channel is going to encourage all of you, because I know that it has already touched a lot of people already by the tools I have been using. And these are great tools. And if you guys want to learn about more about monetization, go to my main channel, Coach Lottie, and I have videos there. I have a group also that I participate in, getting more watch time hours. And it used to cost in the beginning, because I was the very first person, one of the first few groups that CEO charged us. Now they removed the charge. Everything is free. All right. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.